Unveiling Lavender, the hidden benefits of nature's purple wonder. Join our Wellness Warrior community at wellnesswarriorshub.com, where we encourage and inspire one another to be the greatest versions of ourselves. We encourage participation, so feel free to leave comments, ask questions, and tell us about your own wellness journey. We're here in the heart of nature's serene sanctuary, a blooming field of lavender. I'm sure many of you recognize this beautiful plant, its enchanting purple hues, and the intoxicating aroma. But do you know about the hidden benefits this purple wonder has to offer? Today, we're unveiling the secrets of lavender. Originating from the Mediterranean, lavender, scientifically known as lavandula, is now grown worldwide for its oil-rich flowers. It's not just a pretty face in the field, but a botanical wonder with numerous beneficial qualities. One of the easiest ways to introduce lavender into your life is through your kitchen. This aromatic herb adds a floral, slightly sweet flavor to dishes, perfect for desserts and beverages. Try it in a lavender honey lemonade or lavender-infused olive oil. Always remember to use culinary-grade lavender for your recipes, and less is more when it comes to using this potent herb. Lavender oil, distilled from the plant, is a star in aromatherapy. Renowned for its calming effect, lavender oil can help alleviate stress and anxiety. Simply add a few drops in a diffuser, and let the soothing aroma work its magic. Moreover, lavender is frequently used to improve sleep quality. A dash of lavender oil on your pillow or a spritz of lavender sleep spray can do wonders. You may wonder, is all this just hearsay? On the contrary, these benefits are backed by scientific research. Studies suggest that lavender can aid in stress and anxiety relief, help with sleep problems, and even show potential in pain management. While promising, it's important to remember that lavender doesn't replace professional medical treatment and advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before using lavender for medicinal purposes. When it comes to lavender, it's not just about the fragrance or flavor. It's about its connection to nature and its ability to provide tranquility, relief, and serenity. From your kitchen to your bedroom, from your skincare routine to your healthcare regime, lavender is there, a silent guardian, a purple wonder. As we continue to unveil the marvels of lavender, always remember, the beauty of nature often holds more than what meets the eye. This humble plant is a testament to that. With a field of lavender, you're not just looking at a picture-perfect landscape, but a natural remedy, a culinary treat, and a path to relaxation. Join us next time as we explore more wonders of nature. Until then, embrace the tranquility that lavender brings, a hidden benefit from nature's purple wonder. At Wellness Warriors Hub, we believe in the transformative potential of adopting a holistic wellness perspective. Our channel is devoted to providing you with insightful information, useful advice, and motivational content to optimize your physical, mental, and emotional health. You will discover a multitude of knowledge on fitness, nutrition, mindfulness, and self-care through our videos. At Wellness Warriors Hub, we believe in the transformative potential of adopting a holistic wellness perspective. Our channel is devoted to providing you with insightful information, useful advice, and motivational content to optimize your physical, mental, and emotional health. You will discover a multitude of knowledge on fitness, nutrition, mindfulness, and self-care through our videos.